Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just received my mini BLE powerful nanobubble faucet aerator. Just wanted to show it to you. I was testing it out, but I put it back in the box that it came in to show you. I got 2 jars that I'm going to fill, one with the regular faucet aerator that I have, and then with the mini BLE, so you can kind of compare and see the nano bubbles. So it's pretty cool. Looking forward to showing you, and I'll put a link where you could get more information if you're curious what this is. So what it does, it turns your home water into the strongest detergent, deep cleaning, bacteria killing, and food prevention. So there you get a little bit of information. So this is the packaging, and this is like a foam material that it comes in, and then underneath this you have this manual, this user manual, two-sided user manual. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then here you go, you got a couple of tools. You got this tweezer it also comes with, by the way. And then you've got, this is the mini BLE aerator faucet, or the faucet aerator. And this will be for this faucet. And then there's another one, there's a rubber gasket there, and this would be probably for the bathroom. So this will give you an idea. So first let me show you, this is the flow with my standard faucet. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill the jar up so you can see the difference in clarity. So that one's filled up. Now I'm going to take the faucet aerator off, and now I'm going to put the mini BLE on, and there you go. So that's the flow. So you can see it's definitely a slower flow. And now we're going to go ahead and fill it up. And look at all the nanoparticles. So you look at it right away, you're like, oh man, this water looks so dirty. But now look at the difference between the two. So that's the difference between regular standard kitchen water, or just your water line, and then with the mini BLE. Now let's give it just here several seconds for the mini nano bubbles to do its thing. So I'm excited for using this for my vegetables and my fruit, and let's just see how it works. Now leave any comments as well if you're using this. Now I know they have this for the shower, and so I'm excited to possibly order another one for my bathroom sink. So this will stay here, and again, you can see the clarity. It's still foggy, and that's the nano bubbles. And there you go. So it's starting to clear up. Just give it here another minute. I'm going to give you in real time so you can see how long it takes to clear up. So you can see it's starting to really clear up there on the bottom. That will really give you an idea. So there you go. It's almost it's just about there, just on the top. It's taken a little bit longer. We'll just give it a little bit more time. Just move this one up a little bit closer so you can see. So it is clearing up. So there you go. Wanted to just show you again what's included and how it works, and I'll put a link where you get more information. And if you're using it as well, again, please leave any comments in the comment section. That would be great. Love any feedback. And to the inventors of this campaign, thank you very much, and looking forward to getting some great use out of it. And so there you go. Hope this helps everybody. Have a great day, and happy having healthier, better water for cleaning your vegetables and detergents and all that good stuff. All right, take care. Thanks for watching.